Breaking news in New Jersey, a deadly shooting inside the home of a Newark federal judge. Hello, everyone. I'm Joe Torres.
And I'm Sandra Bookman. The gunman in this shooting still on the loose. Police say he was dressed as a Federal Express delivery driver when he knocked on the door of District Court Judge Esther Salas. She was not hurt, but both her husband and her son were shot.
Eyewitness News reporter Lucy Yang joins us from the scene in North Brunswick. Lucy?
Well, Joe and Sandra, it is a terrible tragedy here in North Brunswick, where we are learning the son has died. He was the son of two prominent parents here in New Jersey. Now we understand he was killed, shot in his home, according to the mayor of North Brunswick. I'm standing here on Point of Woods Drive. Right behind me is the crime scene, a well-manicured suburban community where there was a fatal ambush tonight. According to officials, someone posing as a FedEx driver arrived at the family's home around 5 o'clock this evening. While it was still bright outside, when the son answered the door, we're told he was shot and killed. Investigators say the gunman then shot the father multiple times. We understand the father is a criminal defense attorney. We are awaiting word on his condition. Meanwhile, it is now confirmed the mother is a federal judge. The Honorable Esther Salas is the first Latina in New Jersey to serve on a federal bench. Apparently, she was not hurt. It's not clear who was the intended target. Authorities believe the killer took off in the same FedEx truck. As you can imagine, there is now an intense manhunt to find the gunman. The FBI is now leading this investigation with assistance from the New Jersey State Police, the North Brunswick Police Department, and the Middlesex County Prosecutor's Office. No comment yet from the FBI at this early stage of the crime. The mayor of North Brunswick is personal friends with the judge and her husband. He gave us this interview just a short while ago.
Judge Esther Salas and her son Mark Andrew and Daniel, who is a freshman in college, live in North Brunswick. And at some point today, someone who was apparently dressed as a Federal Express driver rang or knocked on the door, and when it was answered, he shot. And the Mark Andrew has come through a surgery tonight and is now listed in stable condition. And very sadly, Daniel has died. And I understand that Judge Salas is not physically harmed.
That was the mayor of North Brunswick. According to the mayor, Judge Salas has received threats from time to time, but nothing recently. The U.S. Marshals have now been called to provide security for the judge. Again, no word yet on her husband's, or you just heard the mayor's update on the husband's condition, but no word yet on a motive for this bloody attack at their home. It's not clear who the intended target was, but we understand their young son, a freshman at a Catholic university, was the victim tonight, fatally shot as he opened the door for a gunman dressed in a FedEx uniform.